All right, and this is part 2 at my uncle's or my mom's cousin's house. We're gonna run the other two liftMaster 3280s. We'll run this one first. There still has a broken spring, and the rail does flex some. The belt does not look good. I just hope the springs get replaced on this soon. We'll open that one. Oh, do a different pattern. This one's the quietest. It's amazingly quiet. We'll run that down. Very quiet. Gears do grind in it a little when it closes, but no big deal. And also, one more thing. Still not allowed to run that 6th garage door because my mom's cousin has a lot of stuff in there. He doesn't want that on camera. And yeah, I'll run this one. That really struggles. Yeah, I hope the springs on this door get replaced. Not just this door, but the other doors too. But hey, all right, now I'm gonna make a third video where I run each door at the same time. All right, peace.